Hey, what's up guys? How are you doing today? Welcome to another Microphone Monday. If you're new here, my name is Tobias and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today what I have for you guys is actually a request from one of you guys. Someone requested that I do a comparison video between the MAONO AU-PM401 versus the TONOR TC-777. So the audio that you are hearing right now is coming from the MAONO PM401, which I have right here in front of me. And throughout this video, I'll be switching between one microphone and the other. If you ever want to know which microphone I'm using at any given time, it's pretty easy to tell because the MAONO microphone is on this boom arm stand and the TONOR microphone is just going to be on a tripod desk stand. And by the way, as you can probably tell, I'm not in my usual setting. I'm actually on like a little family vacation and I've commandeered the kitchen table for my little office. So anyways guys, as usual, I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys what the physical similarities and differences are between the two microphones. Then I'll do a side-by-side audio test where I will switch between one microphone and the next pretty quickly so we can get an idea of how the microphones sound next to each other. And then finally, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys my final review and let you guys know which microphone I think you're better off going with. So first of all guys, let's go ahead and take a look at the Amazon pages for these two microphones. As you can see, the MAONO AU-PM401 is going for $51.49 right now, and the TONOR TC-777 is going for $34.99. They both come with free shipping and the option for free returns, and I will have the Amazon pages for both of these microphones linked down in the description of this video in case you want to check those out for yourself. And both of the microphones come with USB cables, windscreens, pop filters, and shock mounts. However, the PM401 also comes with a boom arm stand. If you look at the front of the PM401, there is a mute button and also a headphone jack for zero latency monitoring. The TC777 doesn't have either of those features, and instead of a boom arm stand, it comes with a tripod desk stand. So as you can see right now, the microphone that I'm using right now is the TC777 and it is much lower down. Another small difference with the TC777 is that you cannot disconnect the USB cable from the microphone, while on the PM401 you can. Now the prices of these two microphones, they do tend to fluctuate from time to time. Usually the PM401 goes for around $62 and I believe the TC777 typically goes for around $40. However, some people have been telling me that they've been getting crazy deals on the TC777, sometimes paying as little as $20 for the microphone. But right now the price difference between the two microphones is $16.50. So now that we went over the physical differences and similarities between the two microphones, let's go ahead and do our side-by-side audio test where I will switch between one microphone and the other about 4 times pretty quickly. Alright guys, so now the audio that you are hearing is coming from the PM401. Let's go ahead and listen for a noise floor. I know there is some background noise in this room. And now we're listening to the audio of the TONOR TC777. Let's go ahead and listen for a noise floor. Okay, now let's go ahead and switch back over to the PM401. And now we're back over at the PM401. This is what it sounds like when I'm tapping on my keyboard right behind the microphone. And now we're back over at the TC777. This is what it sounds like when I am tapping on my keyboard right behind the microphone. This is what it sounds like when I'm roughly 5 feet away from the microphone. And this is how the TC777 sounds when I am roughly 5 feet away from the microphone. And now we're back over at the PM401 for a 4th and final time. Let's go ahead and get our last listen in. And now let's go ahead and get our final listen in for the TONOR TC777. And now I'm going to go back and re-listen to that audio that I just recorded and I'll let you guys know what I think. Alright guys, so I'm back. I just reviewed the audio that I just recorded. And if you are somewhat familiar with my microphone videos, I think you probably know what I'm going to say. I've always spoken pretty highly about the MAONO PM401. I think it's a great sounding microphone for the price, and I do think that it does sound quite a bit better than the TONOR TC-777. And for a price difference of only $16.50, I think you're definitely better off going with the PM401. First of all, just for all the extra hardware that you get with the microphone, microphone, I think it's definitely worth it just for that. With the boom arm stand, you're able to get the microphone like right up in front of your mouth, and I think it just sounds so much better. The TONOR TC-777, you know, it does sit probably a good almost a foot away from your mouth if you have it on a desk in front of you, and you will get a lot more noise from the room around you when your microphone is that far away from your mouth, and if you're just talking in a normal speaking voice. But the TONOR TC-777 isn't a bad mic either, but when comparing it to the PM401, I think that the PM401 definitely is better. The PM401 also has a lower noise floor. The TC-777 did have a louder noise floor, although it wasn't super bad either. And while the PM401 is on sale for $51.49, I think that's a great opportunity to grab this microphone. Also, you do have that headphone jack on the front of the microphone for that zero latency monitoring, and you also have a mute button, which is really convenient. So when you take all of these things into consideration, I definitely think that it is worth the $16.50 price difference. But then again, guys, you guys heard the same exact audio that I heard. I would love to know what you guys think down in the comments below. Do you agree with me? Do you disagree with me? Let me know in the comments below. And once again, guys, I will have the Amazon pages for both of these microphones down in the description of this video in case you want to take a look at those for yourself. And just really quick, guys, I actually just started a brand new reaction channel. I'll go ahead and put the link to that channel down in the description below as well, in case you want to subscribe to me over there. And if you guys did like this video, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And if you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure you go down there and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notifications button. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle right here. It's at YT_Tobias, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.